Welcome to our ice maker unboxing. Let's unveil this cool gadget and get ready for some refreshing ice cubes. Dive in with us. The documentation includes a prompt card, a quick guide, a manual, and troubleshooting card. You'll find an ice scoop and an ice bin in the machine. If anything's missing or you need more later, just hit up customer service. Place the machine on a flat surface and let it sit for 24 hours before using it. Wipe the exterior with a dry cloth when unplugging the machine. Don't forget to remove the protective foam inside the machine. Fill it with clean water. Plug it back in and press the plus button for 3 seconds to kick off the 20-minute auto cleaning. Once it's done, unplug the machine and remove the drain plug to let the water drain from the reservoir and upper tank. Put back the drain plug. Your ice maker is ready to make amazing ice. Keep at least 4 inches on each side of the machine and 10 inches clear around the air outlet, no blockages. Ideal temperature? Aim for 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Open the door and fill the water reservoir. For the best ice, use filtered, purified, or bottled water. Plug in and then hit the power button to kick things off. Your machine will start making ice in no time. The evaporator will start to flow water, cooling down and creating ice. Once the first batch is ready, it's best to discard it before use. Then the ice cubes pile up until the bucket is full. When this happens, a full ice indicator will light up on the panel and the light will become purple. Just open the door and scoop out the ice to keep the production going. Keep in mind, since the machine lacks insulation, ice will melt slowly if left too long. Transfer it to the fridge for storage. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.